Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of improved sound on your rooted Android device. We'll be installing the Moto Dolby Magisk Module, which can potentially enhance your audio experience. Now, this guide is specifically for rooted devices. If you haven't rooted your phone yet, be aware that it can be a risky process. Make sure you understand the potential consequences before proceeding. Alright, let's get down to business. Here's what you'll need. I highly recommend using Magisk Delta or Kitsune Mask, especially if you have a read-only ROM Moto Dolby Magisk Module. Download link for the module is available in video description. Now open Magisk. I strongly recommend using Magisk Delta or Kitsune Mask for a safer installation, especially on read-only ROMs. I'm using a Kitsune Mask. I have already made a video on how to install Kitsune Mask on any Android phone. I will drop the installation video link in the video description. If you have any other Dolby Magisk modules installed, remove them before proceeding. Installing multiple Dolby modules can lead to conflicts and instability, or use the audio modification library. After installing all the 3 modules, give your device a quick reboot to ensure that any changes to take effect. Once the module is installed, you can test its effectiveness and explore the available customization options. Listen to your favorite music or media to evaluate the difference in sound quality. Many Moto Dolby modules offer adjustable settings, allowing you to fine-tune the audio experience to your liking. That's it. With the Moto Dolby Magisk Module installed, remember, this guide is for rooted devices only. If you have any questions or encounter issues, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.